Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Convenient 18V5 TOOL combo kit. Has 2-in-1 bit, socket impact driver, hammer drill, driver, recip saw, circular saw, 6-1/2 in, circular saw blade, work light, 2 CORE18V 4.0R batteries, 18 volts charger, belt clips, carrying bag, half driver, half wrench, has a 1/4 in, quick change hex shank and a 1/2 in, square drive, for using either bits or sockets. Powerful impact driver motor, delivers a max of 1,800 pounds of torque and up to 4,200 IPM for professional power. Impact driver, eliminates using socket adapters, while transmitting more torque directly through the 1/2 in. Square drive, anvil, hammer drill, driver design. Made with a brushless motor to deliver runtime and power for tough applications. Precision clutch with 20 settings. On hammer drill, driver provides driving accuracy for reduced fastener damage. Light cordless recip saw design. Weighs only 6.35 pounds. Tool only, not including battery. Great for overhead work. Show more. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Product is manufactured in China. This product meets customer requirement. 5-year warranty on material and workmanship. Product dimensions: 6 by 20 by 14 inches. See more product details. The number 2 on the list is many positives. Reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. M18 Fuel 18 volts cordless tools are most powerful in their class. Fully compatible with the M18 system. Featuring over 175 plus tools. 2,804 20 hammer drill. POWERSTATE brushless motor delivers up to 60% more power. Is the most compact in its class at 6.9 in length, and provides up to 2x faster speed under heavy load. 2,804 20 hammer drill delivers up to 1,200 pounds of torque. 2,853 20 impact driver delivers up to 25% more torque with up to 2,000 pounds to complete more demanding applications. 2,853 20 impact driver. Most compact impact driver at 4.59 in length, providing more access in tight spaces. REDLINK plus intelligence. Ensures optimal performance and provides overload protection to prevent damage to the tool and battery during heavy applications while still maintaining compatibility across the entire M18 system. See more product details. The number one on the list is this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. DCD 771 in cordless drill combo kit features 2-speed transmission. 0-450 over 0-1500 RPM. DCD 771 high-performance motor of cordless tools combo kit delivers 300 unit watts out. UWO of power ability completing a wide range of applications. DCD 771 compact. Lightweight design of the drill, impact driver combo kit fits into tight areas. DCD 771 1/2-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck provides tight bit gripping strength. DCD 771 ergonomic handle delivers comfort and control. DCF 885 compact. 5.55-inch front to back. Lightweight. 2.8 pounds. Design fits into tight areas. DCF 885 one-handed loading 1/4-inch hex chuck accepts 1-inch bit tips. DCF 885 features 3 LED light ring with 20-second delay to provide visibility without shadows. See more product details.